Heyo, Kelly here with 1776 Firearms and Supply. Gonna make a quick video today to show you how to take down this SAR Arms Hawk 9mm. So this one just came through the shop and I haven't made a video yet, so here we go. Gonna show you how to take it down for cleaning and whatever else you might need to take it down for. Okay, so first we will make sure the gun's pointed in a safe direction. Why do we do safe direction? Because if it were to accidentally go off, we don't want it to negatively affect our lives or the lives of somebody else. All right, it's there. So next we're going to make sure that this pistol is unloaded. We're going to start by pushing this. That is your magazine release. Boop. This thing looks pretty cool. Yeah, I like it. All right, so next we're going to pull this slide back and make sure that there's nothing in there. There isn't. It is completely unloaded. All right, so leaving this hammer back because we're going to need to manipulate this slide. This here is your slide lock, but it also acts as your takedown pin, okay, your takedown lever. So, but there's two, and it's hard to see on this one, but there's an indentation right here at the very end of the frame, and then there's also an indentation a little forward of that on the slide. We're going to want to bring those back so that they meet. Okay, so they're right over it. Next, you can take your magazine or whatever else you may have and push on the other side, that little pin right there. That's the other side of your takedown lever or your slide lock. Then you're going to pop it out. After that, we're going to pull this trigger, and then the slide's going to slide right off. Okay, so you've got your frame. Here's your takedown lever and your slide lock. Here we're going to take out your spring, your recoil spring, and your guide rod. These separate, so make sure you keep a hold of it because you don't want to shoot that across the room. And then you're going to take your barrel out. Okay, so you got your slide, your barrel, your spring, and your spring and your guide rod, and then your frame. That's as far as you got to take it down to clean it, guys. So to put it back together, we're going to slide this barrel back in. Once you get it cleaned up and oiled, put your guide rod back in. All right, so on most pistols, your slide is going to slide along these guide rails on top of the frame, but this one actually slides on the inside of it. So you'll start at the very end and slide it on. Now, once you get it to this point, once you hear that click, you can start your guide or your takedown pin or your slide lock. Get that started. You're going to pull it back till those two indentations meet, and then push it the rest of the way in. And then you're good to go. Okay? Easy peasy, guys. Hope this helped. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Turn off.